Day everyone, I am Yansly Gallardo and today I will discuss to you the ICT and computer history. Here are the learning objectives about this topic. So at the end of this performance task, learners will be able to explain the history and uses of ICT, demonstrate understanding of communication, educations, job, and socialization through ICT. And 3. Describe the basic computing periods and generation of computers. 4. Analyze the positive and negative impact of ICT in a society. So the last one is present information effectively using video technology. Information and communication technology, or ICT, plays an important role in our daily lives, right? So it helps us communicate, learn, and work more efficiently. So ICT in our daily life communication, it allows us instant messaging and video calls, connect with people worldwide, and use in emails and social media. So example for this is that students use Messenger or Gmail for group project and assignment. So ICT and communication, because of ICT, we can easily send message and make video calls. We can talk in our family and friends anytime. So tungod sa ICT, dali ra kita maka-communicate sa atong loved ones bisag naa sila sa layo. ICT in education. So online research and digital resources, PowerPoint presentation and online quizzes, online classes and e-learning platforms. So example for ICT in education, students search lessons on Google and submit tasks online. So gigamit sa students ang ICT para research, report og online class. So mas nindot og masayon ni ang pagtuon tungod ni ini. City in work and jobs. So example is online jobs. So freelancers, virtual assistant. Next is online selling and digital marketing. Next one is online meetings and record keeping. So ICT creates more job opportunities. ICT in work and jobs is ICT also helps people find jobs online. So nakatabang po niya sa pagpangita sa trabaho online. Daghan na ang trabaho isip usa ka freelancer, virtual assistant o online seller. So gamit kini siya if ever na kay mangita kag trabaho, and then if ginansag ka mag online selling or online selling na magnegosyo ka. So, history of computers. Computers develop from simple tools to modern smart devices. So, basic computing ages, example, pre-mechanical age, mechanical age, electromechanical age, and electronic age. So, history of computers did not become advanced overnight. So, nagsugod kini sa simple nga machines o ginahinay nga pag-improve hangtod karon. Next is first generation computer made in 1940 to 1956. So, it used for vacuum tube, very large and also expensive. Example is ENIAC. First generation computers kay mao tong pinakauna nga computer na gihimo. So they use vacuum tubes nga dako kayo og size og dali mo init sad ni. So tungod ani very large og expensive sad ni sila. So example ani kay katong ENIAC, usa sa pinakaunang computer nga gigamit para sa military calculation. So second generation, made in 1956 to 1963, used transistors and smaller and faster. So sa second generation, vacuum tubes gilisan og transistor. So into vacuum tubes, gilisan siya og transistor. So mas gamay ni siya nga size and mas paspas og dili siya dali mo init. So mas better ni compared sa first generation kay mas efficient ni siya kaysa atong first generation. Third generation computers made in 1964 to 1971. So used for integrated circuits and more reliable and efficient. So sa third generation, gigamit ni ang integrated circuits or ICS. Tungod ani, mas reliable ug mas efficient ang computer. So mas gamay ni sila ug mas kusog ang performance ani. Fourth generation computers made in 1971, so which is the present, use microprocessors, development of personal computers. Example ani kay desktop and laptop nga atong gigamit karon. So dili nagsugod ang paggamit og microprocessors, which is mao ni ang reason nga na-develop ang personal computers. Example ani kay katong desktop computers o laptop nga atong gigamit karon sa school or work or sa matrabaho man. Generation computers, so the present and future. So it is focused on artificial intelligence like AI and smart devices and robotics. Ang fifth generation kay mo ning nag-focus na sa AI or artificial intelligence. So mo ning computers karon nga mas smart ni. So example ni kay smart devices, robots ug AI assisting nga makatabang sa atong daily life. Impact of ICT on society. The first one is the positive impact, which is to easy access information, faster communication, online education, and more job opportunity. So if na positive na po negative, so the negative impact of it is that cyberbullying, fake news, internet addiction, and privacy risk. So, daghan og maayo nga epekto ang ICT sa atong easy life, especially easy access to information. So, dali ra ta makita og information ani sa internet. So, next is faster communication. Kani dali ra ta maka-chat or video call sa atong loved one if na sila sa layo. Next is online learning. So, pwede ta magamit to ni if ever na tay online class, especially kang nga linog kay online class man, so gamit ini siya. Next is more job opportunity. So kani daghang online job, so magamit jud to ni sa atong daily life. If naay positive, especially napoy negative. So dara so mao ni ang negative impact sa ICT na to. So cyberbullying, so mo ni ang pangdaot sa atong isig katao online. Next is fake news, so mo ni mga dili tinud nga impormasyon nga pwede makatag. Next is internet addiction, so mo ni masobraan ta paggamit sa internet kanang halos kada adlaw wala na tayo mabuhat kay lagi mag-internet na lang ta pirme. Next is privacy and security risk, so mo ni possible nga ma-hack imong account, then malik ang imong mga mga chat nimo sa sikinsa. So, in conclusion, ICT is very important in modern society. It makes life easier and more convenient. So, however, we must use technology responsibly and wisely. So, ang ICT is very important yun sa modern society, especially karon. So, it makes our life easier and more convenient. Pero, kinahanglan sa din nato gamiton nato ang technology responsibly and wisely para malikayan ang mga bad effects or katong akong gi-example nga negative impact. And that's all. Thank you for listening to me.